All right, look, here's the deal. I want to tell you about this super cool thing that we do here at Noviqu that makes information easily accessible for anyone, anytime, anywhere. Some people may tell you it's not that cool, but it is. And it's called the QR code. Dun, dun, dun! What makes the QR code so special? Nothing really, other than it's just tiny pieces of black pixels all combined together to somehow magically transport you to a certain place with information using nothing more than the camera on your device. Want to know more about your machinery? Just a QR code away. Need to report a safety incident? QR code away. Are we sure that Brittany is fully trained and qualified to run the forklift? QR code. Everything is just a QR code away! Okay, but in all seriousness, when you're utilizing a program like Noviqu, making sure that your information is easily accessible is just as important as the information you put in it. So, when picking a platform, make sure your information is just a QR code away.